In this video, we will show you how to add a motion sensor to your SkylinkNet Internet Hub. Before we begin, make sure battery is installed to the sensor. It requires one AA battery. For Outdoor Motion Sensor model PS-2MT, two AAA batteries are required. Leave the cover off until we complete the learning process. Log into your SkylinkNet account. The LED on the hub should be steadily on in green, meaning it is online. Click More. Then System Settings. Then Setup Wizard. And Add Device. Select Sensors. Then choose Motion Sensor. Give this sensor a name, such as Motion Sensor, and where the sensor is located, such as Hallway. Then click Continue. Ensure the cover of the sensor is removed. Click Learn Now. Now activate the motion sensor by pressing the Learn button. The Learn button on the outdoor motion sensor is just above the battery compartment. After activating the sensor, you will see the app shows completed. Select Go to Home Screen. You will see the motion sensor icon. To test the sensor, turn it away from you so it cannot detect any motion. Wait for 20 seconds, then turn the motion sensor towards you. You will see the red LED on the sensor flashes, and the icon on the app changes from blue to red. If no motion is detected for 20 seconds, the icon will change to blue. To trigger it again, no motion must be detected in 20 seconds. This is to conserve battery consumption while still being able to detect burglar break-ins. Congratulations! You have added the sensor to your Internet Hub. Check out our other videos on how to add other devices.